In the next 10 years, up to 40% of jobs could be taken over by artificial intelligence. That's nearly half of all jobs. This staggering prediction isn't some distant sci-fi speculation. It's unfolding right now. As we talk, algorithms and robots are mastering tasks once thought uniquely human. It's like a silent revolution, subtly stirring the foundations of our job markets. But what exactly is artificial intelligence, and why should we be concerned? Artificial intelligence, often shortened to AI, is a term that's been thrown around a lot lately. But what does it really mean? At its core, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. It's all about creating systems that can learn, adapt, and make decisions, almost like a human would. You see, AI isn't just about robots. It's about algorithms and software that can process information, analyze patterns, and make decisions based on that analysis. AI is already prevalent in various sectors. In healthcare, it's being used to diagnose diseases and plan treatments. In finance, it's used for fraud detection and investment strategies. And in transportation, it's the driving force behind self-driving cars. With such capabilities, it's clear to see why AI could pose a threat to jobs. But what jobs are most at risk? AI's potential to replace jobs isn't spread evenly across all sectors. Some jobs are more at risk than others. Let's take a closer look. Roles that involve repetitive tasks or large-scale data analysis are particularly vulnerable. Think of assembly line workers, data entry clerks, or even truck drivers. These positions could be more readily automated as AI systems learn and perform tasks with increased efficiency over time. But it's not all doom and gloom. On the flip side, AI is also a job creator. It's giving rise to new roles that we couldn't have imagined a few decades ago. Jobs in AI programming, ethics, and even AI law are blossoming. These roles require a unique blend of skills that can't be replicated by a machine. So where does this leave us? As we move forward, it's crucial to adapt and evolve, ensuring we're not left behind in the age of AI. So we've learned that AI is here and it's changing the job landscape as we know it. Shockingly, it's predicted to displace many jobs, but remember, AI is simply a tool, a programmed system mimicking human intelligence. Jobs most at risk are repetitive and routine. But this is not a call to panic. Instead, let's see it as a wake-up call to adapt, to learn, and to grow. Stay ahead of the curve. Embrace AI, don't fear it. Remember to like, subscribe, and watch our other videos to keep learning and earning. Until next time, stay curious.